Hey everyone, got another lock for you today. I reached in the bucket of locks that I got from Zombie Lock and pulled out these locks here. This is some RedEye locks. You can see the RedEye, and he calls these the Joker locks. Be aware of what's inside or what not inside, and make sure you don't feed them after midnight. And I think these two locks are possessed. Alrighty, so we might have something a little bit crazy going on here. So let's just pick one of these. And knowing RedEye, there might be something crazy in here. Get my camera where I like it. Let me tilt up just a little bit. All right. I think I'm going to use about a 30 thousandths pry bar on this one. Let's see. Yeah, it fits in there nice. It'll want to rotate around on me if I go clockwise, so since this is a reverse Yale, let's go counterclockwise, I suppose. There's click from 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, click from 5, and a click from 6. Was there 6 pins? No, there's only 5. I must have gotten a click off of something else. Okay, back to 1, click, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, and a click from 5. Okay, back to the front, click from 1, nothing on 2, a couple clicks from 4, maybe I'll have to pick this one clockwise. I don't know. There's a click from 4 and 5. Click from 3, 4, and 5. Nothing happening on 1. Nothing happening on 2. Nothing on 3. A click from 4. A click from 5. That click from 5 gave me some pretty positive feedback. Another click from 5. This is a very strange feeling lock. Okay, nice click out of 5 again. Click from 1 and it put me into a deep false set. So I'm getting somewhere now. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. 3. Little counter rotation maybe on 4. So let me change up picks. I'm going to go with a slightly taller pick and see if I still can't feel my way around in there. There we go. That was actually pin 3. All right. Let's see what this badass thing had in it. Oop. About knocked my camera over. Okay, I don't have a bendy clip. I've got just a normal clip. And it's already partially off, so screwdriver get that with ease. Oh, wait a minute. That was just screwing with me. There's another clip on there. Uh-huh. I'm gonna need my Huck clip remover for this one. Be careful not to lock that up because I do not have a key. All right, now back to business. Let's go ahead and stuff a shim down in here if we can. All right, definitely it has 5 key pins. And they all, without a doubt, had to be picked because some of these are just really far down in there. And I've got threading on 1, 2, 3, and 4. And very light threading on 5. Let's look at the pins. I got a standard, a spool, a standard, a spool, and I would call that a standard. Let's see if I get this shim out of here without dropping stuff. There we go. Okay, here's pin 1. It is a really cool little serrated mushroom spool. With a copper spring. Chamber 2, okay. I guess this is where the, or what's not inside them comes into play. That's just a copper spring. Three is another serrated spool. The copper spring. 4 is a very wicked looking serrated spool. And another copper spring. And a big tall, looks like almost a factory spool there for 5. Let me look down in here. I doubt he did anything because all the caps are still in place here, but it's worth checking. All right, so let's show you what we had in this Joker lock, the first of two. All right, I've got a standard in one and a kind of a serrated mushroom spool. Very cool pin. Then I've got a little spool in two, a standard in three, a serrated, another mushroom type spool, really cool one. Then a spool, then a really nice serrated spool, then a standard, which is just slightly tapered, and a factory spool. And as of note, there is nothing in chamber number 2, and I think that's the joke on this one, guys. All right, RedEye, great lock, fun to pick. Zombie, thanks for sending it to me. I've had a good time with it, and I'll probably get to the other one before too long. Everyone else, please stay safe, don't do anything illegal, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.